Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This video is what I ate on an 8 mile hike. So went up and did an 8 mile hike at Three Finger Jack, and here's the food I brought. I had some pineapple, I had a banana, I had a tangerine and an apple, and then I had another banana. I had some pretzels. I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I had some of these homemade chocolate chip cookies. They were oats, bananas, peanut butter, and dark chocolate chips. And I had a few almonds as well. So just wanted to show you all the food I brought. I ended up splitting all that food into two separate meals. Had a really cool hike. Brought my dog. Was with my wife, and we saw these mountain goats, which was really neat. You can see a couple of them there on the mountain walking around. Had some nice views from the top. There's Three Finger Jack right there. Some nice views of Mount Washington or Mount Jefferson, I think it is. And that is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe for more, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.